If I tell you this image of me that you're currently seeing on the screen is AI generated, will you believe it? Yes, this image that you're currently seeing is AI generated. I use free AI tool and unlimited AI tool to generate this image of me that you're currently seeing on the screen, and those are the images that I've been posting on my page. So as a small creator, I believe this is also going to help you to get something to be posting on your page every day. So I'm going to take you through the entire process of creating these images so that you can also start creating something with AI and post it on your page. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser. So I'm going to open my Chrome browser and type Google AI Studio Nano Banana. Now you can see we have so many options here. We are going to choose the option or the search result that comes with Google AI Studio. So tap on it like this and then click on Try Nano Banana. So click on Try Nano Banana. This is where we are going to enter our prompt and also upload our image. So I'm going to click on the plus sign like this and click on Upload File button and look for the image. So I'm going to click on Photos and Videos because that's where I have saved my photos. Okay, so I'm going to choose one of these images. Let's go with this one. So here we're going to delete the default prompt here and enter a new prompt. So this is a prompt I'm using. Keep the exact face of my reference image but change her clothes and let her be in the modern kitchen cooking. So I'm going to hit on the command button like this, the yellow button here, and the image will be generated for us. So this is how to use the Google Nano Banana AI or this AI tool to generate an AI images of yourself. So let's see whether it's going to give us the same thing. Wow. So this is how I often generate the images of myself. I hope it's well understood. So when you are done generating your images, click on the download button here and download the image to your phone or your computer. So I hope you can now generate AI images of yourself using the Google Nano Banana AI. I hope it's very easy and you are going to give it a try. Give it a try and show me the results in the comment section. If you have not clicked on the follow button yet on this page, click on the follow button so that you can get more AI tutorial videos like this. Go ahead and share your creation with us in the comment section. I'm going to see you in the next video.